Outdoor Leadership is a new program here at Tesla, and we are the first one in Colorado Springs to offer this to our students. And we go from starting with wilderness first aid and include a wilderness first responder, an interpretive guide, and backcountry cooking, and all types of different things to prepare our students for the industry and the outdoors.
Yeah, so Yanni is teaching wilderness medicine, and I have experience in cave rescue. So the students are going to be learning about how to put a person into a cave rescue stretcher.
You're going to go and protect the spine. So what your job is going to be is your job is going to go ahead and get either to grab or we have the angle done up so you can grab onto this. Your job is going to be giving commands and to be telling us what to do. Okay, are you ready?
It's the kind of equipment that can be used above ground as well for mountain rescue. They're going to be learning about how to move a patient using pulleys and ropes.
The ground just feels so weird.
Awesome! Okay, let's go ahead and keep on going, keep on going. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
So I created Cave Sim as a way to teach people how to be nice to caves while doing rescue. And when I moved to Colorado, I started doing cave rescue, and I realized, hey, we are destroying caves while practicing for rescue. And so I made this big system, and it has computer scoring. So you're crawling through the cave passage, and you get a score based on how careful you are as you explore.